वेलकम टू आवर चैनल यूनिक स्नीक पीक्स, जहां हम आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं अपनी ट्रैवल और लाइफ से रिलेटेड कुछ वीडियोस। तो आइए आज हम चलते हैं मालदीव्स टू कंटिन्यू विद आवर पार्ट 2 ऑफ व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू शुड टेक केयर ऑफ व्हाइल प्लानिंग योर ट्रिप टू मालदीव्स। अगर आपने हमारा पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है तो आई लीव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो। प्लीज गो एंड हैव अ लुक। हमने ओशन व्यू रूम बुक किया था। We actually didn't like the room so much. The room size was okay. It was not very big. The bathroom was also not very big, and the furniture also looked a bit worn out. The only thing that was good about this room was the view. The view was amazing. But definitely for the price that you pay for this room, it's not worth it. We paid about 40,000 rupees for this room per night, and we had booked half board. So half board means you get your breakfast and lunch or dinner as per your preference. And another piece of information that I would like to give you is there are different types of rooms also available as in all hotels. The rooms here are ocean view or a room without the ocean view. Then there are some villas and of course the water villas. After coming to Maldives and seeing the Sheraton Hotel, मुझे एक चीज़ realize हुई, Maldives में अगर आप आते हैं तो लिव इन अ वाटर विला। 3 nights के लिए रहिए और 2 nights के लिए रहिए, बट स्टे इन अ वाटर विला। हम लोग मॉरिशस गए थे, एंड मॉरिशस ऑल्सो वी हैड अ ओशन विला रूम। वी पेड 25,000 फॉर दैट रूम, एंड दैट वाज ऑल्सो हाफ बोर्ड। You can check out that room. That was definitely better, much better than this room. And I will link the video also down in the description. You can check out that video as well. We unpacked, we had a shower, and then because हम घर से सुबह के बहुत जल्दी निकले हुए थे तो हमने सोचा थोड़ी देर रेस्ट कर लेते हैं, और हम finally we just dozed off and we got up late evening. In the evening, we went to an Indian restaurant over there. हमने Indian food खाया, which was really yummy. And then after that we went to the bar. Bar was lovely and had a good collection of liquor. Also it was very lively. There was a DJ over there and people were dancing, and of course there were some table games also over there. तो बच्चे भी खेल रहे थे, तो एक माहौल जो है वहाँ का बहुत अच्छा था। तो एटलीस्ट वहाँ से हमें कुछ अच्छी वाइब आई। आज का दिन फिर ब्रेकफास्ट से स्टार्ट हुआ। Basically both of us enjoy having a nice breakfast and then we skip our lunch. That's what we did today. But आज हमने सोचा कि हम होटल की प्रॉपर्टी पूरा घूमेंगे नहाने के बाद, and that is what we did. But basically it is so hot and humid over here that तुम्हें बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है रूम से बाहर जाने के लिए और बीच एरिया पे जाने के लिए। बट स्टिल हमने हिम्मत की, हम घूमे। ब्रिजेश ने कैनोइंग की थोड़ी सी। Canoeing is free of charge and so is snorkeling. But if you want to do other water activities like jet skiing or a banana boat or something, then they are all chargeable. बस थोड़ी सी और हमारे में हिम्मत नहीं थी। Then we went to the bar area, but again the bar area is also not air conditioned, so we couldn't sit there for a longer time. But हमें ये पता चला they have a dolphin tour around 4:30 in evening. So we found that interesting. तो हमने सोचा चलो आज डॉल्फिन टूर करेंगे। तो हम अभी अपने रूम में चले गए to relax for a bit of time and then get ready for the dolphin tour. We reached the reception area around 4:15 to go for a dolphin tour. There were other people also along with us from the hotel. So कुछ बच्चे भी थे हमारे साथ में। तो फाइनली द बोट केम, विच वॉज गुड। वो बोट हमें कुछ 15-20 मिनट दूर लेकर गई टू शो अस द डॉल्फिन्स, एंड दैट डे वॉज रियली अ लकी डे बिकॉज डॉल्फिन्स, इतनी डॉल्फिन्स थी। वी कुड सी सो मेनी डॉल्फिन्स we were really happy. और dolphins जो हैं they were in such a playful and a joyful mood कि वो हमारे साथ पूरी मस्ती कर रही थी and we had a lovely time. The dolphin tour is really worth the money. अगर आपको मौका मिले तो ज़रूर देख कर आइएगा. This dolphin tour, this cost about $83 per person. ये आप होटल से ही बुकिंग करा सकते हैं. We had our breakfast and came back to our room. तो हमने सोचा आज थोड़ा सा स्विम कर लेते हैं. Then we went to the swimming pool and we had a dip in the swimming pool. Came back to our room, relaxed for a while and thought of going to the city. We were lucky. We had a friend in Maldives who had a speedboat, so he offered to take us to the city. He picked us up from our hotel and we went to the city. Though he had already told us कि city में कुछ नहीं है, but still हमें लगा नहीं यार, अगर मौका मिलता है तो देख लो, but आप प्लीज़ मत जाना बिकॉज आपका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है वहाँ पर जिसके पास स्पीड बोट है, तो आपको खुद से पैसे देकर स्पीड बोट के जाना पड़ेगा, विच इज़ क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव. सो अप टू यू. The city is very congested. There are narrow lanes over there, and also when you cross the road over there, you have to be very careful. Just go to the zebra crossing and then cross the road. Otherwise, आपको कोई भी टक्कर मारकर जा सकता है. Then we decided to go in the by lanes and check out कि वहाँ पर क्या क्या है. तो कुछ ऐसा खास वहाँ था नहीं. And since I collect magnets, so I thought might as well buy a couple of magnets for my fridge. तो कुछ एडिशन हो जाएगी मैग्नेट्स में. एंड देन वी वेंट टू अ स्मॉल कैफे. वी हैड चिकन एंड चिप्स. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ फिश एंड चिप्स, लेकिन इनके यहाँ चिकन एंड चिप्स मिलते थे, बट यमी थे. वी roamed around for a couple of hours and then we took the speedboat और हम अपने होटल वापस आ गए. We relaxed for a little while and today we thought of having Thai food. This restaurant was called Ban Thai and Ban Thai में खाना खाने के लिए you have to do a booking before. This was not included in our package, but because I love Thai food, so we decided to go there and it was amazing restaurant, amazing experience, lovely food. After a sumptuous dinner, we just took a stroll around the property, enjoyed the view and came back to our room. It was our checkout day with Sheraton. We had our breakfast. The checkout is at 12 p.m. but we requested the hotel to if we could have a late checkout. They allowed us. It was a good see-off. We got a little sentimental, but also we were excited about the next hotel. So it's goodbye to Sheraton. तो ये थी सारी डिटेल्स जो हम आपको बताना चाहते थे बिफोर यू बुक योर ट्रिप टू मालदीव्स. आई होप दिस हैज़ बिन हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. और अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ डू गिव अस अ थम्स अप, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. तो अंटिल आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो, इट्स आडियोस, टाटा, बाय बाय, लव यू ऑल.